Greetings, friend. Well, you picked a beautiful day to come say hello. But listen, this wouldn't be so lush and green without all this glorious rain, right? Why don't you come on inside, we'll take a look around. Here on the first floor, you'll enjoy the warmth of the wood-burning fireplace, the tongue-and-groove cedar vaulted ceiling, the wall of windows, and the nicely appointed kitchen. This open concept is perfect for entertaining. And have you seen that wraparound deck? Hello, summer fun. The primary suite, second bedroom, and full bath round out the upstairs. Head down to the lower level and find 2 more bedrooms, full bath, and a family room. Access to the 2-car garage, where you'll find plenty of shop space as well. Sited on over 3/4 of an acre, you can't help but fall in love with the peace and serenity that this property offers. This is a real gem and it will go quickly. Call my team today for a private tour. Cheers.